Ian, great. Tama ba? What's with you?
Mommy and my siblings.
Ayan, nasa yung mommy mo. Kung ano, hindi tayo magkakilala. Yung siblings mo, nasa siya. At iyo. Ayun! Hoy! Anak, sasaluhin. Kaya ka nasaluhin. Hello! What is your name?
Rio!
What's your mommy? Where's your daddy? Okay, are you ready?
Oh no! Catch!
Okay, last one. Ah! How old are you, Andre?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay.
Sing a song.
Okay, you want to sing a song before you play?
Yes!
What song do you want to sing?
Golden!
Golden.
Comes along. Touching. Now I'm shining like a butterfly.
Let's play the game na, ha? Or you need to catch the falling stick. Catch! Yeah! Isa. Okay. You do it! Sino kasama ni Zia?
Siblings and my mom.
Where's your siblings? Where's your mother? Uy, nalilito ka. Ibang mami tinuturo mo. Alin si mami mo? Oh, alam mo, nakakatuwa yung mga audience natin. Ay! Okay, ready, Clyde? Here we go.